Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $51.86. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, if you look at the upside, what we have seen, it is around, you can say, 9 weeks. Okay, there is a continuous upside. Okay, this same had happened in the gold also. We have seen the continuous upside as well as in the silver. I've clearly mentioned you that as soon as the price started rising above a level of around $36, there is a higher chances that it can touch a level of 50 and can cross this $50 because it's an all-time high, and this all-time high is if touched, it is after 45 years. So probability was very high that we can see there can be a further rise. You can check my videos. I was continuously telling you from two or 3 months that the price will move above a level of $50. Now the price is trading at a level of 51.8, already made a half around $54.6. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen. There is a gap, as you can see, looking at this level. Okay, now if you look at this trend, what we can see there is a trend, a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, so chances are very high that if the price started coming down again, okay, this was the narrow pattern, that is where we have seen a continuous rise till the level of around 32.6. the same pattern is being formed in gold also. Okay, but what we have seen in the silver in the last a few years, see, from 2004 till 2011 the price was continuously moving upside, moving in this range. Okay, after that what happened, this particular, and then there is a continuous downfall. I have explained you that in the monthly video about the silver prices. Okay, because silver prices is creating a particular pattern which I have already explained you in my previous videos. This particular pattern is being formed, that is where we have seen that the price has made a newer high. Okay, and I have explained you that in 1980 we have seen the price was around 48 or 49. In 2011 the price was around at this particular level only 49.5. now the price has touched this particular level. So you have to remember that suppose if the price started falling, there will be a chances that it will touch a level of around this particular level after 20 to 30 years. This can happen, so you have to be ready for it. So what I would suggest, that keep trailing your SL if the price goes upside, or keep trailing your SL if the price fall down. Okay, and exit the position, because that is very important. Suppose if the price is not going upside or if it started going down, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of that particular level around after 20 to 30 years. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see the price is continuously high after continuous 9 weeks, and suppose if the price sustain this level, probability of touching 44.5 can be seen, and this 44.5 is an all-time high. Okay, so you have to remember, keep trailing your SL. That is very important. If you're trailing your SL by 0.5 or $0.7, that will be beneficial for you, because the price can touch a level of $55 or 56 or 57, or a further upside can be seen. So if you are trailing your SL, at least you are capturing a big movement towards an upside. That is very important, because it is after 45 years the price has touched this level. Okay, but what we have seen in this particular level, that it is started coming down. Okay, because it made a high from 44.5 and it came down. So suppose if it started coming down and moved towards next support, that is $51.18. okay, and this from this level we can see a bounce back. But if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching $49.9 can be seen. And if the price falling 49.9, a further fall can be seen towards a level of $48.5. Okay, after 49.9 we can see a level of 48.5, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 48.3 can be seen. And once started falling below 48.3, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of around 47.3, and these are the levels 48.3 to 47.3. this is a bounce back can come, but if that didn't come, we can see after this level what is trading, we can see a level of $51.18, and if the price didn't sustain, we can see a level of $50.1, and if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of 48.5, then to a level of $47.3, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen towards 46.7. Okay, or from all these levels we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't bounce back we can see a further fall. I've explained you this. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. And it is very important you to understand that if you are buying at higher level and it started coming down, trail your SL. Okay, and if your SL hit, please exit for some time. Okay, and change the trend. And if you are not changing, again if you change the trend and then again trail your SL if you are buying or selling. Because what we have seen in the recent years that after 20 to 30 years this price has come. So you have to remember that suppose if the price comes down, it can take around 20 to 30 years to go back again to that value what you have bought at the higher level. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me or you can consult me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel